Hey squad, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yuri Tachila, and let's get started. Today we are diving into the requirements traceability matrix, what it is and its types. What is a requirements traceability matrix? RTM is a document that links requirements to their origins and tracks them throughout the project lifecycle. In simple terms, RTM answers the question: did we deliver everything we promised and only what was approved? RTM ensures that each requirement adds business value, every requirement is implemented, no unauthorized scope sneaks into the project. Why RTM is important? RTM protects us in three critical ways. First, it prevents scope creep. If a feature is not in the RTM, it doesn't belong in the project. Second, it supports impact analysis. When a change request appears, RTM allows us to quickly assess cost impact, schedule impact, risk impact. Third, it ensures full coverage. RTM proves that every requirement is designed, built, tested, and formally accepted. Without RTM, gaps remain invisible until it's too late. Let's take a peek at this real-world RTM example. RTM is usually a table. A typical RTM includes requirement ID, requirement description, business objective source, design reference, development component, test case ID, status, owner. This creates end-to-end traceability from idea to delivery. Types of traceability. There are three main directions of traceability. Backward traceability. It ensures every deliverable traces back to an approved requirement. It prevents gold plating. Forward traceability. It ensures every requirement is implemented and tested. It prevents missed scope. Bidirectional traceability. The gold standard. Full control in both directions. RTM across the project lifecycle. RTM is not a one-time document. It evolves through requirements collection, design, development, testing, acceptance, change control. Every approved change must update the RTM, otherwise governance breaks. This is why RTM is closely tied to integrated change control. Common mistakes to avoid. RTM created but never updated. RTM owned by no one. RTM used only by QA. RTM missing business objectives. Alright, that's all for today. Don't miss out, hit like and subscribe. Stay awesome, and as always, peace.